The government of Meghalaya on Wednesday announced containment measures with effect from May 1st at 5 am till May 10th at 5 am in Shillong urban agglomeration, Jowai town and Tura town amid the prevailing COVID-19 situation in the state. The decision comes following an online video conference with the Deputy Commissioners chaired by Meghalaya Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma. Here are some of the highlights of the briefing.
Number one, the government today has decided to put in place containment measures. We don't say lockdown, we say containment measures for the following places. One, Shillong urban agglomeration. Two, Jowai town. And number three, Tura town. These are the three places where we found that the spike of COVID-19 is vulnerable. These containment measures will take effective from 1st May at 5 am morning till 10th May 5 am morning, and the total number of days is 10 days. And the containment measures includes the following: all public, political, social and religious gatherings are not allowed, including meetings, religious services, trainings, except weddings and funerals are permitted, subjected to adherence of protocols for gathering, which is to be regulated by the respective deputy commissioners. All sporting activities are not allowed. Number three, all educational institutions shall remain shut from 1st up to 10th of May 2021. All private offices will be shut except those providing essential services. Non-essential central government institutions is also closed down their offices and they can work from home. All other non-essential movement is discouraged or is stopped. Any other movement of an emergent in nature may be allowed on issuance of passes from the deputy commissioners concerned, and those violating the movement protocol will be subject to penalty. Public vehicular movement reduced to 1/4 of the existing capacity, subject to the regulations to be worked by the deputy commissioners and the transport department. Public transport is being allowed for use of those who are in need of services like healthcare and emergency services, including vaccination, students and teachers, staff attending exams and movement of persons as per the para 5 of this order. Inter-district movement or intra-district movement to or from Shillong urban agglomeration, Jowai town and Tura town, and any other containment area which is to be notified by the respective deputy commissioners will be restricted except for those who are permitted as per the special and emergency services. For any other trouble of an essential or emergent nature, permission shall be given by the Deputy Commissioners concerned. It is also advised that unless absolutely necessary, movement of persons to Shillong urban agglomeration, Jawai and Tura should not be undertaken. What are the items which is allowed during the containment period? Essential shops are allowed to open subject to regulations on days and timing, and this responsibility is entrusted to the respective deputy commissioners. All construction activities are allowed, including shops dealing in hardware, electrical, mobile repair shops, automobile repair shops, subject to regulations, again on days and timing to be decided by the respective deputy commissioners. Banks and banking services, post and telegraph, telecommunication services is also allowed. Next, essential government offices will also be allowed as per the regulation made by Personal Department, Government of Meghalaya. Movement of only the following is permitted on self-declaration and adherence to protocols. People moving for availing healthcare services, including emergency services and vaccination. 2. Agriculture and veterinary services. 3. Transportation of essential items. 4. Students and teachers and staff related to conduct of examinations. Next, goods vehicle include e-commerce services, supply of medicines and pharmaceutical and home delivery services, that also is allowed. Next, accredited press personnel, print and electronic. Persons who are engaged in construction, persons traveling on essential government duty, like medical teams and officials on COVID-19 duty, police, security, armed forces, civil defense, home guards, fire and emergency services, NIPCO, MECL, Power Grid, Food Corporation of India, Information and Public Relations Department, banks, post, telegraph and telecommunication services. From 1st May, again, up to 10 May 21, up to 5 a.m. in the morning, for the entire state, all political, public, social, religious gatherings are not allowed, including meetings, so on and so forth, except weddings, funerals are permitted, subjected to the permission to be issued by the concerned deputy commissioners. All sporting activities is also closed from 1st up to 10th of May. Next, international border trade. International border trade shall also be shut, shall also be closed across the state. Deputy commissioners are also authorized, directed to restrict the weekly markets and border huts in their respective district depending upon the local situation. And number 6, government has also authorized all the concerned deputy commissioners to close or to take necessary action relating to educational institution in their respective district when and if the case arises.
Apart from the decision taken by the state government over the containment measures in the 3 districts, the government also mentioned that the respective deputy commissioner will get into the details of these containment measures in their respective districts. With camera person Daya, this is Ferdinand Rani for TNT, the Northeast Today.